got this opportunity. The salesman had been in contact with one of the lead engineers for Children's Mercy, and they are a hospital system, several different buildings here in Kansas City. The customer was wanting to bring attention to this as one of their key buildings in Kansas City. When we originally proposed the project, we had given them a couple different options. One being the color grays, which is grazes the light on the side of the building. We also gave them an option for a linear lighting that could go across the top or bottom of the building as well. They were interested in both, but there was a lot of back and forth. They had a budget that we were working with, and so we were trying to find the best fit for the price that they were able to go with. Ended up with the color grays, and we got layouts done through Color Kinetics, and they did a mock-up study for us, and overall the layouts are what sold it. Color Kinetics did a great job on that, and was able to give the customer something really great to look at. We also did a on-site trial. We had a couple sample fixtures brought in, and we were able to get them temporarily wired in, and we had a sample set that would show the different color changing options. That was also key in selling this project. The main thing that we hit was the mounting of the fixtures. These fixtures have a 4-foot mounting arm, and the arm mounts directly to the side of the building. What we did not know was that the side of the building is just double-walled stucco, and back behind it there wasn't anything for about 2 feet. So that caused some struggles on getting these fixtures mounted. We ended up having to put in a steel plate that ran the length of the run on the LED fixtures, so roughly 32 feet on both sides. It worked out, and it actually looks really good, but going into it, that was a cost and a timing labor issue that we hadn't run into, we didn't expect. I had one of our best electrical contractors on site with me, but there was just some things that we would have never known, but with a little bit more exploring and digging in, we might have found out. The main thing is to make your walkthrough and subsequent visits as thorough as possible so that you know what you're getting into.